Hello, Placentia. This is Eric Holmgren, your ambassador at large. And today I am at Placentia Super Service with Bob Cornwall. Bob, this is a great place. I had no idea you were here.
Thank you. Yeah.
This is fantastic. So tell me a little bit, is this your first business?
Yeah, absolutely. I was a service manager at a previous shop, and then me and my business partner, we opened in 2016. So we've been in business for 5 years as of this month.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. And what kind of services are you usually doing? What kind of cars or makes of cars are you usually working with?
So all makes and models of vehicles, import, domestic, European vehicles are our specialty, and then just really any services. So from your oil changes all the way through replacement transmissions, replacement engines, tires, alignments, all of that.
Okay, cool. And how is business going for you so far?
It's been going really well. You know, we've had a lot of support from the community during COVID stuff, and so at this point, you know, things have been really picking up for us as people are getting back to work and needing services done on their vehicle.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, because it looks like you've got a very large operation here. So you obviously got a lot of cars coming in. That's great.
Yeah, things have been growing. You know, originally when we first took over the business from the original owner, he had been in Placentia since 1978. But he still owns the building, so he's my landlord, great guy. And we had taken over about half of the building.
Okay.
And then now, since we've been growing, now we're poised to take over the whole rest of the building as of next month.
Congratulations,
Yeah,
that's
definitely.
awesome.
Yeah.
So as you know, with our chamber chats, usually we're talking about some challenges that you have as a business person. So what was a challenge you had coming into this business about 5 or 6 years ago?
I think the main challenge with any, you know, automotive repair shop is establishing a good reputation for being fair and honest with people. And so we originally had gotten, you know, our digital inspections done. So now anytime a car comes in, the car gets pictures taken of the vehicle, of anything that needs attention, and then those get shared with our customers by text.
Okay.
Our goal was always to, you know, give somebody a 5-star, you know, experience, and so that they could give us feedback online. That's kind of the new word of mouth now. So anytime anybody has a positive experience, we encourage them to go ahead and put that online, and that shares everything with the community.
Okay, so that's like Yelp reviews, Google reviews, things like that?
Absolutely, and we also get a lot of feedback on the Placentia Buzz, which is
Okay.
the local Facebook group.
Right.
So that works as well.
Okay, terrific. So, so the digital thing with the film and whatnot, what are some of the other things that you did to try to work on increasing people's awareness and feedback?
Yeah, so I mean, our online advertising is dedicated to, you know, have us be kind of on the top of the search when people are looking for automotive repair. Also with that positive feedback, we're going to show up higher on Yelp and higher on Google. We also reward people. I mean, if we get feedback from a guest, then we're going to give them a free t-shirt. So
Okay.
that absolutely helps as well.
That sounds good. And if you got a nice logo like you guys do, then that's even more appreciated, I'm sure.
Yeah, definitely. I think people like the shirts that we have.
Right.
And I think people are enjoying the experiences that they're getting here at the shop.
Well, and that's always the challenge, that you have to kind of overcome the stereotype that a lot of people have with auto mechanics.
Yeah.
So it sounds like you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Obviously proving that otherwise and growing it. Before we wrap things up, is there anything else you'd like to share with our friends out there in the Placentia community?
Well, we've been around since 1978, and we just really appreciate all of the local communities, you know, awareness of us and letting people know about their experiences with us. But if you haven't had that experience, come on in. We can definitely take care of your vehicle and get it ready for summer, winter, or any trips that you're going to go on. So come on in and check us out.
Awesome. Well, Bob, it was great to meet you. It was great to see your facility, and I'm glad that you're doing so well.
Great.
And until our next episode, be well.